Hello guys, thank you for checking out. Today I'm going to teach you how to print an Excel sheet. Let me open a sheet. So this is a workbook. In this workbook there are many sheets. As you can see, these are the different sheets. In this sheet, as you can see, there are many tables in this sheet. See, I can scroll down, scroll left and right. It is actually a very large sheet, so if you give a print command, it will not fit in one pages. It will come in like two or more pages. Let me show you by pressing Ctrl+P. See, you can see this is page 1 of 3, so there are actually 3 pages. So I wanted to fit it in one pages. So what I can do is on the right bottom corner you can see there are 3 views: normal view, page layout view, and page break preview. Just click on a page break preview. Here you go. You can see there are 3 pages, as you can see: page 1, page 2, page 3, separated by dotted lines. There are actually 3 pages. So when you give print command, it will come in 3 pages. So if I want to fit this 3 pages into one pages, I can adjust by holding this imaginary line. Just click there and drag till how much you want. So if I keep here, it will become 2 pages. So if I want to force it into one pages, I can still drag this line and drop to the last line. That's it. So let me hit Ctrl+P again and let's check out how it comes. Here you can see the whole sheet is combined into single pages. As you can see, the pages is 1 of 1. So when you finally click print, the printer will print a single page including all the contents of the sheet. I also want to teach you how to print a specific area on a sheet. Let's say I want to print only this area. So you can just select this area like this and go to page layout view and click print area, set print area. Okay, that's it. And now give the print command Ctrl+P. As you can see right here, you can see only the selected area. It will print only that part that you selected, only the part that you have set print area. So if you print command, the printer will print only the selected area, selected part. That's it. Thank you for watching.